I like a woman with a future and a past. A little attitude problem, all good, it'll make the shit last. Don't make it too easy, girl, don't take it too fast. Yeah, that's it right there, that's it, do it just
Hi guys, so we're jumping right into this tutorial. I'm going in with my Morphe 35F palette. I'm using that as my first transition color. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild crease brush, doing windshield motions and circular motions so that the shadow can be blended smoothly and not like patchy, but blended seamlessly, better yet. So that's what I'm doing, and I keep going in with my brush with windshield motions back and forth until we lay that first transition color down. So we're choosing that shade as our second color. Then I'm just going in again in the crease. Blending and blending. Yes, blending and blending and blending some more. We want our shadows to be seamless. You want our shadows, you know, to go together. Okay, so I'm going in with a third transitional shade, and I'm like deepening my crease now with this one. So I'm going in with the same brush, same windshield like motions, or you could do small circular motions so that the shadow spreads evenly. Okay. And before I started the tutorial, I did my eyebrows and I cleaned them up with my Maybelline concealer. Okay, so we're taking our MAC Fix Plus, and I'm getting that a flat brush right now, and I'm going in with that purple shade. I don't know what that brush is called, but it's more like a packing brush, better yet, it's flat. So we're going in with that very purpley shade. We're going at the outer corner, the outer corners, and then the inner corner. I'm going for like a halo eye, so going in the inner corner, packing that purple shade. So we're packing the purple shade on the inner and outer corner. Moving on to the next eye, doing the same process as we did on the other eye. So we're packing that shade on the inner corner and the outer corner, leaving the middle blank because we'll add a different shade there because we're going for a halo eye. And because this is like a metallic color, I didn't put it in my crease. And then we're going in with a different shade, which is like a red cranberry color almost, and we're just packing that in the middle to get our halo effect. I can't speak, I can't. So we're adding that in the middle, and in the crease, normally the purple shade would be in the middle part above where I put that cranberry color, but because it's like a metallic color, I'm going to get a black shadow from out the palette and just blend it atop that reddish burgundy color and blend it through the crease, and I'll get my halo effect. That part of the clip got deleted, but that is what I did after laying it like this. I added just a little black shadow in the crease and I blended. See, I'm using my elf blend crease brush, and I'm just smoothing everything out, and then I added the black shadow. I went and I did my lashes and my liner off camera. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Prime, and I'm just using that to prime my entire face. This is like one of my favorite drugstore primers. It really works and it gets the job done, and it's pretty affordable. Just smoothing the primer all over my face. You know, we want a seamless base so we can have a nice finish. Then I'm going with the Maybelline Superstay foundation as well as the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm putting both of those on my hands and I'm mixing them, making my own little concoction. What the hell? My own little concoction, if that's the word. And I'm patting the foundation all over my face, and I'm going with my damp beauty blender sponge and I'm just blending it. I'm going in and I'm blending. Blending is key. We don't want foundation to be standing and just saying hello, here I am. You want the foundation to be a part of your skin where people are looking and they can't tell where your skin is and where the foundation is. So we're blending, putting on our foundation so we have a seamless look. I think my beauty blender was a bit dry, so I just sprayed it with some Fix Plus, and then I kept going and blending. I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I just added to the sides of my nose, down the center of my nose, and my cupid's bow, and where my chin is. And I take it from the side of my nose and I spread it outwards. Going now with my Maybelline concealer just to lighten up the look, because the LA Girl is a tidbit close to my complexion, so I just use that to brighten it and to give me more coverage. Going in with my Airspun powder just to set it, and I use just a little bit and I press it into my skin and I just lightly set the area. Afterwards, I go with my Laura Mercier powder and I then add some under my eyes to, you know, bake my eyes a little bit, and I add it on the bridge of my nose, and I go over all the highlighted areas that I had previously done, and I just basically press it into my skin. I don't dust it off. I then go in with my RK Kisses contour palette, and I'm doing a powder contour. I go in with the hollows off my cheekbones, basically along my temples and my forehead. So when you contour, blend upwards, like contour and pull it upwards instead of dragging it down. So do like the little fish face and figure out where your cheekbones are and take it from there, and then just pull the product upwards. It will give you a better look. Your temples as well as your forehead, jawline. Going with my beauty blender, I'm going to be pressing the translucent powder into my skin. For my nose contour, I use the same shades that I did the powder contour, and I just start in the middle of my nose and take it upwards to where my brow. Then I go on with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish, and I just use it all over my face to blend everything in. I go in with my Bahama Mama bronzer over the places that I contoured, just to bronze everything and set everything. I'm going in with my transition shade under the bottom of my eyes, and then I work my way from transition to the purple and then the cranberry shade in the same order that I did the eye. So I'm going in with that yellow shade that's in the palettes. I'm putting on an inner tear ducts, as well as where I have the burgundy color, I added a little bit of that yellow just to give it a pop and add dimension to the eyes. Brushing off excess powders. Now we're going in with the MAC Raizin blush, and I apply my blush from the top of my ear to the apples of my cheek. And we're blending because blending is key. Next, I'm spraying my face with my MAC mineralized charged water. I don't know why I kept saying Fix Plus. And then I'm going in with my ColourPop highlighter. Lining my lips with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Cocoa. Then I'm going in with my Sephora matte liquid lipstick. I can't remember the color right now, but it will be in the description bar. Oh my god, the lips really pull this whole look together. Like, yes, honey, we're serving Vampy, we're serving fall, yes. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.